My name is Elizabeth Croft, and I am the Dean of Engineering at Monash University. I'm a professor in mechanical and aerospace engineering and in the Department of Electrical and Computer Systems Engineering because I work in robotics, and in robotics I need to access the expertise from both disciplines as well as other disciplines to do my work. The work that I'm currently doing and researching is human-robot interaction. Effectively, this is Industry 5.0, people and robots working together. It's important because for our manufacturing in the future, we are going to need to work with robotics and other systems more effectively to retain the jobs that we need in our economy. My work is aimed at creating robotics and robotic systems that make it easy for people and robots to work together. I'm aimed at understanding the technology, designing new technologies that enable the robotics to work with us, and to make it easier for people to teach them, to use them, to train them, and to bring them into their working and home lives. The idea of socially aware robots is robots that respond to our cues, that know what we need to do next, that can partner with us and work naturally with us. If we're going to have a robot coworker, we want that coworker to be friendly and polite and easy to get along with. I know people are very concerned that robots are going to take their jobs. And I think the fact is that robots are going to make our jobs better. They are going to do the work that we don't want to do and allow us to do the high-value work that makes us more productive and more effective. They're also going to be able to, in an environment like COVID-19, do repetitive work that we need to be done. Cleaning environments, providing delivery that we can't do because we as people transmit the virus. Robots can be used in places and not transmit the virus. It's really important for Victorians to get involved in science and engineering because that is the future of our workforce, it's the future of our jobs. We need more engineers to develop the jobs of the future. We need to look after our own manufacturing and our own supply chain for when we're cut off by something like a global pandemic to produce the things that we need. We want electric cars, we want clean air, we want clean water. We want all of those things from science and engineering. So we need to demand that we educate our population to be able to deliver those so that we can have the fantastic jobs for our kids in the future. We look to our leaders to encourage people to study in science and engineering, to encourage research and to invest in research that will lead to the discoveries and innovations that make us highly competitive on the world stage. What would I say to young people? You can make an incredible difference by investing your time in learning about science and technology and engineering, and you can solve the problems that we face today. I invite you to the Possible Impossible session where we will explore the future of science and engineering in Victoria. I'm looking forward to your questions about the future of robotics.